Alright, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of my video with SMC. So today actually wanted to talk about one very important thing about SMC, order flow and order block. This has been a confusion to many people as which order flow should we use, which order block should we use. Is order flow the same thing as what as is order flow the same thing as what as order block? Which is more important, which is the best? So today I actually decided to make a video about order flow, actually to make it a live video and actually explain how this thing works out. So meanwhile, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content, and you would be updated about how the markets. And if you actually enjoy this content, you can do well to drop your comments on the comment section that you need more videos about SMC, right? So like I've always said, in SMC, one thing SMC did justice for is what we call our simplicity. SMC actually make the whole work a simplified make it simplified and make trading very fun and easy. Once you understand your source, and there is no other source in the financial market other than your market structure, your order flow and your entry, right? With this you will be able to make a setup and an entry that you will be rest assured that no, this trade, the winning probability is very very optimal and very very high. Your mind will be at ease. So one thing about the market is that there's what we call SMC, right? In SMC there's something we call where's my arrow? In SMC there's something we call I have it here. Right, so in SMC there's this thing we call this. Oh God, definitely. Where is this? Right. So you can actually see it's a live account. It's not as if I'm here just to come and display what's for you. So oh God, let me see. Where is my arrow? Okay, I think I need to. So if you enjoy something like this, you can actually drop on the comment section that you enjoy it and that I should make more videos about it. So I don't know what is wrong with my arrow. I don't know what is wrong with my arrow. So there's this. Oh wow. It's like my arrow did not want to work. Okay. Since it's not working horizontal, let me just make use of it like this. So we have what we call our structure like this. So this is our expansion here. Right, we have our expansion like this. Our normal market structure, our higher high and our higher low. Right. So in SMC, what we actually do is that you have a normal high. So now this is going to be our order flow. Right, this is our order flow. So from our order flow, now after market many of you have actually complained that market will not respect your order block. you mark out an order block, market is not respecting it, this and that. No, there are things that you look at for as far as the market is concerned, or your order flow supersede your what, your order block. It is inside your order flow that you have your order block. So your order block is a simplified model of your what, of your order flow. So most times you might have an order flow, you might have an order block which market will not come back to that order block, but market will come back to your what, to your order flow. That is one good thing about SMC. Understanding your order flow and your what, your understanding your order flow and understanding your market order flow and order block. So once you are able to justify that, you will be able to see how these things truly works, how it truly works. I don't know what is wrong with my I don't know what is wrong with my pen. It's not that I decided not to just work. I decided not to just work today. Hope I'll save. So you, oh God, let me see. How do I? So you have your order flow like this. So I guess I'll have to just use this direction. So we have our, okay, let me use it this way. So we have our order flow like this. We have higher high, higher low, higher high. After this break in market structure, we have the what, your higher high. Then in SMC, there's what we call inducement and what, inducement. So after this break in market structure, you have a little pullback like this. Then you have this, and you have something like this. Right, so this is our inducement, and this is what, this is our inducement, this is our higher high here, and this is what, our higher low here. Right, so now one thing with SMC is that now it is inside this area here. Our order flow now, our order flow is what, the last buying candle, the last selling candle in an uptrend, the last selling momentum in an uptrend is our what, is our order flow. So in this uptrend now, this is our order flow here, because this is our last this is our order flow here, right? So you have it respected there. This is our order flow here, right? That's the last selling candle, right? This is our order flow. So it is inside this order flow now. You now have a refined version of it. You have a refined version of it where you can now have your order block around this, at this extreme here. So you have your order block there. So you have your order block here as a refined order flow. Right, let me do a practical example for you by turning my screen, then I'm going to mark it. Since my arrows, my rectangle decided not to show, so my arrow decided not to show, I'm going to be using my what, my rectangle. So this is a downtrend now the order flow here now, right? For this uptrend now, this last selling candle, this is my order flow here. Look at, this is my order flow here, right? This is my order flow here, right? It is from this order block now, order flow I'm going to be looking at for my entry. Now from this order flow now, I now have this order block here, right? And I have this order block, here. This is my order block here, right? This is my order block. Now let me use the past one so that you can use any time frame from this, right? Okay, let me use here now. So now I have this break in market structure here. After this break in market structure, so this confirm my what, my sell, and from there, okay, let me start from here. I have this break in market structure. This is my break in market structure. After this break in market structure, now this low now is not confirmed yet. This low is not confirmed until when we have an inducement. So before this lower low here, we have this high here, right? We have this high here, Look at this is the highest point here, so this is the first high, so this is my inducement. So it is until when they take out this inducement, that is when this lower low is confirmed. If they don't take out this inducement, this lower low is not confirmed. So they took out this inducement by taking out this high now, so have this as what, as my order block, as my inducement. So now my order flow now, I'm in a bearish order flow now. The last buying candle, look at this, is the last buying candle that I have. Right, this is the last buying candle that I have. You can see that they respected this buying candle. The market came back and tapped this. If I should go down to this, to a lower time frame now, if I should go back to 1 minute time frame now, I have an ordered block here that this market tap here. After this down, we have this what, break in market structure, little break in market structure. My order flow is going to shift from this what to this buying candle here. You can see they tap into this order flow and what, and cornerstone. I have the what, another break in market structure here now. This is my order flow will shift to this what, to this order, to this last buying candle. So you can see they respected it again. They respected it now. Now have, after this break in market structure here, we have this break in market structure here. After this break in market structure, my last buying candle is this. This is my what? This is my last buying candle. You can see this is my last buying candle. My last buy sell, my last buy, not buying candle, my last buying momentum. You can see they come back and what, and respected it here and what, and tap at this extreme order block here. So it is always good for you to what, to mark out the order block in the what, in your order at the extreme. Once they take out the inducement, the liquidity there, you are what, you are rest assured that you are what, you are good to go. I don't want this video to be too long. If you actually enjoyed this video and you need more of this content, clearly what, comment in the comment section that you what, that you need more comment of this. You can see the trade is still running. It's an active trade. It's a live what, is a live account, right? It's a live account. Now I'm going to explain how I picked my entry. And let me explain how I picked my entry, and from there I'm going to be stopping the video because I don't want the video to be too long. Now on my 15-minute time frame, right, I've gotten my what, my break in market structure. Right, I have this what, break in market structure here. Right, so this is my what, my break in market structure. So after this my break in market structure, right, you can see that we have, let me explain, let me use this and explain the structure that we have now. Now this is a what, this is a break in market structure. After this break in market structure, this is our what, this is our low, is not what, is not confirmed yet. Why? Because this is the highest point the market has gone through. This is my what, this is my inducement. So they didn't take out this inducement here. So the whole of this leg here is counted as what, as just a single leg until when they take out the inducement here. So I can mark this as my what, as my lower low. Then after my lower low, now this is my last buying candle here. So I'll mark out this area here, right, as my last buying candle, which they did respected, and then we have a close below it. Now this is an inducement, so I might be looking forward to close my position here. So after the what, after this break in market structure here, taking out the what, the inducement on what, on a lower time frame, I just went down to my what, to my 1 minute time frame, and I picked, it was that on my 1 minute time frame. So what I do, so if you actually enjoyed the video, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay dropping a new, stay updated. So guys, see you, please drop in the comment section. Any question, anything you want me to talk about, yes, be it other blogs. So meanwhile, there's actually an active offer that I decided to teach SMC and the word. For those of you that are my word, so, oh God of mercy, so I have not,